The purpose of this video is to give you an overview of assignments in our online courses, how to go in, view assignments in particular weeks, how to upload Word documents for those assignments, save them, and then show you how to go back in and make changes if you need to. Specific assignments will be linked in individual weeks in the course. Typically a course will have an assignment each week, although some courses have larger assignments that are due as midterm or final projects, and so you may not have one each week. As with forums, you can get to them by scrolling down to the individual week in a course, or you can also access a complete list of them up here in your activities block in the upper left corner. I'm going to use that block to look at assignments here for the JM 601 course. I click that and I say I have a complete list of my assignments for all the weeks in the course that are open. If I click the first assignment link, so this would be here in week number 3, just like in the forums, I'll get a short description here of what the assignment is asking. I'll have the due date for the assignment here just below it in the left corner, and then below I'll have a box that says upload a file. And then it'll say the maximum size, and then you'll have two buttons here. You'll have a browse button and you'll click upload this file. To initially upload a document, what you'll do is you'll open up a word processing program like Microsoft Word or WordPerfect, compose your assignment, save it, then come over here to the assignment, click the browse button. When you click the browse button, a window will open up with a directory of your local computer. So for example here, this should look familiar. I have a link to my desktop, my documents, my computer. I'm going to click on in my documents folder, and let's say that I happen to save this Word document right here called 19-1. So I click that document once. Actually, if you double click it, it'll work as well. But if you click it once and click open or double click it, what you'll now see is the whole link to that file there. So for example, under my documents and settings, under my username, under my documents, there's a link to my complete file name. Once I've done that, I click upload this file. I wait a second and then it will say file uploaded successfully. I hit the continue button. And now what I see is I'll have my assignment again. I'll have again, same assignment, same due date, but now I have an actual link to my file. This is the file that I uploaded. It'll tell me the time that I uploaded here in the upper right corner. Notice here that this happens to be in red because the assignment's actually past due if I was turning this in for real. If you want to, you can always come back and always click this link to the document that you uploaded to download it to your local computer. If you made a mistake and you want to change that, you go through the process again. You hit the browse button, click the upload this file again once you selected that, and that will overwrite any changes that you made. One important thing to note here, make sure as a general procedure on our program, when you upload a document for an assignment, make sure it's either like a text file, which will end in txt, or a Word document that ends in doc. See the final three letters here, it says DOC. That tells me that it's a 1997 to 2003 Word document. The reason why I say this, the latest version of Microsoft Word, which is Word 2007, when the default to save, when you go to File Save, it will save it as a docx file. There'll be an X on the end of that right there. You don't want to upload that into our program because if it says docx on the end, only instructors who have Word 2007 can open that. If they have an older version of Word, they can't. A simple fix for you guys using older versions of Microsoft Word, and I'll open up Word here and show you. For those using a new version of Microsoft Word, I'll show you here how to go in and save that old or save your new Word document as an older Word version. So as you're composing a Word document here, so I'll just call this my demo document, and I want to save it. So when I come up here to File and Save, which I normally would, I want to select File, Save As, and select Word 97 to 2003. What that will do is when I select that, I will then get that DOC file name at the end that I want, the file extension. Again, this is only for folks using the latest version of Microsoft Word. Select File, Save As, Word 97 to 2003. As long as you have that file extension of DOC on the end, you'll be good to go. If you have any questions about this, make sure to get a hold of me in the program. Again, Ken Gibson, technical support here for the JM program. Email is kgibson@unr.edu.